Quite a number of students struggle with writing the aims and objective. They get confused between objectives and research questions. Let us have a look at it. The aim is a simple and clear statement of what the student or the researcher is trying to achieve by the end of the thesis. Let me give you an example of writing an aim. Identify and evaluate the factor that enable a student to conduct their thesis successfully. This is the aim of the research. So it's very clear, it's simple, and lets the reader understand what it is that the student is aiming to achieve. So, what are objectives then? Objectives, my dear people, are the step by step actions that you will undertake to achieve that aim. So, what are the functional steps that you can take? Okay, the first step that you can take is to identify what the literature is saying. So, objective one could be explore the literature and identify the various factors that influence a student to conduct their research successfully. Yes, so you have identified all the factors in the first objective. The second objective could be form a conceptual model and to test the model quantitatively. So the function of second objective is to test the model that you have formed based on objective 1. Objective 3 could be analyze the data and to form a modified model of the factors influencing a student to conduct their research successfully. So, each of the objectives are functional steps that you will take, and by the end of all the objectives, you would have achieved your aim. It is as simple as that. While you're writing your aims and objectives, some of the words that you can use include identify, evaluate, measure, test, quantify, contrast, discuss, compare, indicate, interpret, predict. Yeah, these are some of the words that comes to my mind, but I'm fairly certain there are others. In this slide, I have shown an example aim and objectives that one of my friend and I wrote for our paper last year. You can pause the video and then look at how the aim has been written, and the objectives are written in such a way that they are functional step by step way of achieving the aim.